I'm trying to clean my 2010 Audi S6 with the 5.2 litre V10 engine. I've done a chemical clean, it did pretty well. Pretty good, but it's not 100%. I need to get some kind of walnut blaster or something like that. But boy, are they expensive. Hey everybody, I'm Milesy. Normally I fix crash damaged vehicles, but today's going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to be making a budget walnut blaster. Woohoo! I'll show you how I do it. So what I've seen online are people buying this 20-pound abrasive blaster from Harbor Freight. It costs about $90. It does not come assembled. You have to assemble it yourself. Step 2 is you go on Amazon and you purchase this. This is a dead man switch. It's used for sandblasting or abrasive blasting, that kind of thing. I believe I paid $28 for this, and then I went to Harbor Freight. Please excuse this, I've opened up the package already, and I bought this. The air attachment extensions, and this was $9. First thing I'm going to do on this dead man switch is unscrew this area here. Whoop. And extract this little doohickey thing here that came out of the dead man switch. Now funny enough, it comes off in 3 pieces. You got some kind of O-ring, and then you got some kind of cover. Then what you're going to do is separate this white piece from this black piece. The black piece is actually some kind of cover that goes over the white piece. So I did see how to do this on somebody else's YouTube channel. I believe their name is Tuner World. Link will be in the description below. Check out their channel, give them a thumbs up. It was really helpful. He did it for under, I believe, $100. While I'm doing this video, it's in 2025, so prices have increased. And I'm going to try and do it for under $150, which is still reasonable compared to some of these other walnut blasters that cost $380. If you guys are like me, I don't have $380 just laying around to do a valve job or carbon cleaning or even just walnut blasting in general. So this is going to be a very inexpensive way of doing it. And after I'm done, I can use it for other vehicles that I've got on my YouTube channel. You can take that piece, put in pliers or some kind of vice grips, whatever you guys need, and you take the black little rubber tube and you just twist it off, and it comes off in 2 pieces. We're not going to need this piece any longer. Okay, then you're going to take that rubber piece, slip it over the top. It is going to be a very tight fit. You can use spit, lube, whatever wakes you up in the morning. Slide it all the way down, and you take your O-ring, you slip it over, and you take the top cap that was on the dead man switch, you slide that over, so it looks something like this, and then you just screw it in your dead man switch. Now don't worry about this handle being open all the way, because we're going to be making an on-off switch. We'll control all the walnut blasting and the air control and so on and so forth. So you take it, screw it on there. There we go. That's half of the portion done on your walnut blaster gun. And there we go. We got the modified dead man switch. So you can see the long rod. Now on the end over here, I've taken 3/8 adapters, on-off switches, because this is no longer going to work any longer. It's going to be on all the time. So this is how I'm going to operate the walnuts and the pressure and all that kind of stuff for it to work. What you could do to go even more budget friendly is not even purchase the dead man switch. There's actually a fitting that comes with the sandblasting tank. And what you'll do is actually screw it right directly onto this fitting, this on-off switch fitting, and that would do the exact same thing as the dead man switch. One of the good advantages of this deadman switch is it's got a handle where you're able to maneuver it a little bit better, you got a better feel, and get into tighter spaces if you really needed to. But if you're not worried about that, this will do the job exactly the same. You just repeat the process. Got the black little cup that fits over the tube, and this is a piece that comes with the tank, and you just slide it over, then you just screw it onto the valve, and it will do exactly the same if you wanted to save $28. So hopefully that helps you guys out, especially with your budget. I'm building a walnut sandblasting kit. I believe you can also use other sandblasting material or media as well. I'm not too sure. I'm going to be using this for walnut blasting. If you guys want to keep up to date on the progress of my Audi S6, it's going to be on the next video. If you guys enjoyed this video or it helps you guys out, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channels, as I'm going to have more videos on tips and tricks, especially on budget friendly kind of tools. This cost me under $150, as I don't want to spend $400-500 on a whole sandblasting kit, especially for walnut blasting, where I'm only going to be using this maybe once or twice, maybe 3 times, depending on what kind of vehicles I get on my channel. But guys, if you enjoyed this video or helps you guys out, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.